Hello, I'm Dale Defoe, Product Manager for the Field Shield product line here at Clearfield. Today we're going to talk about the D-ROP, the restorable one-pass option for drops. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to cut back the duct to get a specific length for the Urex terminal or Urex tap application. So the first step is it'll show up with the packaging as seen. You'll snap off the zip tie, simply remove the protective shipping corrugate, and it will expose the specific length for the Urex breakout. At this point, you're going to make your measurement as far as how much you need to cut off of the duct so that you have an exact length that goes into your terminal or your tap. For these purposes, I'll cut a 3-foot section off and I'll mark that. The next step you do is on your mark, you'll do a rotary cut, score, turn it about 3 times, again, just to give yourself an initial score. And then you'll snap it free as such. Now it still has the support cables inside. I want you to cut those free. What I use is a small wire cutter. Again, being careful not to cut the fiber which is inside. There, now we've exposed the fiber cable inside. And at this point, we're going to work from the other end back. I'm going to remove that connector, let that fall down to the SC. So this will expose the fiber retainer. I'm going to pull that out as well, and that'll just slide along the fiber cable. We'll be using that when we later assemble it. So now that I have the duct free, on the opposite end, I'm going to go ahead and perform my cut, and this will actually open it up and allow that fiber to fall out. So with my tool, I'm going to slide it into place, pinch it, and attach the crank system. And then as we start the cut, we're going to make sure that we have this fiber piece fall out. So as we cut, the connector is pulling the fiber out of the duct in one pass. We've got about 2.5 feet here or so. Once you get to the very end, we're going to perform this cut with just a slight pull. And now we've exposed the fiber, which we can now easily pull the fiber retention piece back down, insert that into the duct, and now place the flex connector on the duct and push into place. Now we take the SC connector, pass it through the flex port, attach the outer housing, and then snap on to the adapter. For cutting back longer lengths, let's take a look at how we can use a hand drill to speed up that operation. I'll demonstrate that here with about 10 feet of material. Again, inserting the tip of the opener into the duct and pinching it down. I'm going to start the cut with the hand crank and get the fiber to fall out. Then we can transfer in a standard drill in a low setting. You may have to adjust it depending on your drill style. But once you have that, and just like before, once we get to the very end, we're going to pull that out by hand to free the rest of the cable.